This presentation is to give information regarding the timing of the new school day, pupil grouping, school layout, social distancing, homeschool agreement, teaching and learning, food, hygiene, toilets, school uniform, face masks and personal protective equipment, administrative staff and contacting the school. The new school day will start at 9 a.m. It will finish at 2 p.m. Within the school day, we'll be taking breaks, possibly using outside if weather permits. All breaks will be timed to ensure that there's no unplanned contact with other class bubbles. In order to comply with Welsh Government guidance and to keep our school community as safe as we can, we've organised the phased reopening of school around the return of 2 form classes a day. Each form group will be further subdivided into groups or bubbles of 6 pupils, and we're working on these subgroups now. If your child's form class has been identified as arriving at entrance A, the drop-off point is to the right in the main car park, just past the gates. Then children will walk up at a safe social distance and enter via the main hall doors. If your child's form class has been identified as arriving at entrance B, the drop-off is at the side of the school. You come through the gates up the drive around to the side of the school, then pupils will enter at a safe social distance via the doors to the lesser hall. When children arrive back to school, they will see a new classroom layout. Desks will be 2 metres apart, and there will be 6 desks per classroom in order to comply with Welsh Government guidelines. This page will provide you with information about what we will be doing to keep your child safe and well during this phased return to school. This page best explains what we expect of parents and carers in order to support the safe, phased reopening of our school. This page explains what we expect of pupils in order to effect the safe, phased reopening of school. As always, our teaching and learning will have well-being, enjoyment and academic progress at its heart. Over the next 4 weeks, we will check how well distance learning has been going and offer support. We will speak to pupils about their well-being and their experiences over this lockdown period. we will give advice, support and direction about how and what to study over the next few months in preparation for September. For our older pupils, we will also focus on aspects of their GCSE curriculum. It is important to note that there will be no canteen facilities and no canteen staff on the school site. All pupils must bring a filled water bottle and a packed lunch. If a child forgets his or her packed lunch, we will be contacting you to ask you to make arrangements to bring this to school. Staff are not allowed to prepare food on school premises, and children will not be allowed to share food. Parents, carers of pupils in receipt of free school meals will need to purchase and prepare packed lunches and water from the local authority voucher scheme. There will be no grab and go bags. On this slide, you will see an overview of the additional hygiene measures we're putting in place to keep your children and the school community safe and well. In order to comply with social distancing, we have refurbished the school toilet blocks to triple the capacity at the school. Each class bubble will have an allocated toilet to use. Only one child will use the toilet at a time. All pupils must follow hand washing procedures after using the toilet. Regular reminders of the importance of hand washing and routine will be in place. Toilet checks and thorough cleaning will take place throughout the school day. We are not expecting pupils to wear school uniform over the next 4 weeks of their schooling, but clothing should be of a similar sensible and practical nature. Pupils must wear clean clothes each day. If pupils dress in a manner inappropriate for their safety and learning, parents will be contacted to take them home. Think as though you were going for a day in the woods or the countryside, not to a party or to the beach. We will be spending some time outdoors, weather permitting, which may include activities on colder days. A warm coat and flat footwear is therefore important. In conjunction with Welsh Government and local authority guidance, we will not be asking pupils or staff to wear face coverings, face masks and full personal protective equipment. However, if a pupil or a member of staff wishes to do so, this will be allowed. Please note the World Health Organization recommends that face masks should be of 3 layers. Apart from the start and the end of the school day, the school will be closed to all visitors, except via prior appointment. The school gates will be shut as usual throughout the day. The school can be contacted throughout this period on 01685 351 845, via email office@penydre.merthyr.sch.uk or via the website www.penydre.merthyr.sch.uk. We'd like to finish by saying thank you so much for all your support over the last few months. We do recognise that they have been very challenging and that we live in unprecedented times. We look forward to seeing you all soon. Please stay safe and well.